Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the BRD Gotta Eat Kitchen. Today we have 2 trays of chicken wings. Found a good deal on those. Shut up. We have a butt and a slab of ribs sitting over here. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Listen, I don't need no more interruptions. We're gonna go ahead and get these wings put on here. There's 3 different flavors that we're working with. Be good. I got these. There's 18 wings in a package. I picked them up for $10 a package, so I'm not going to complain. It ought to be a good gotta eat right here once they're all finished. Yep, I'm gonna put one up there. So we have to take this. Then we gotta move up the rack. We're gonna take this one and move it down until we get everything situated. And we'll get it all dispersed the way it needs to be. And thanks to the camera woman, showed up today. So y'all can get a good detailed video of what's going on instead of the one-man army trying to get it done. No, I'm not trying to pack him in here like sardines. I want to make sure we get the ultimate airflow around them. That way it's certified that they will be done. Come on. Here's all I'm gonna have 4 on it. And believe it or not, these here are average size wing. These ain't those big old pterodactyl wings. Got lucky on that one. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this, put it down here. I'm gonna take that slab of ribs. Let's do this. Let me interchange this, and I'll put that last rack of ribs in the back there. We got one rack of babies. We're gonna throw them bad boys on that, just like that. And we're gonna take this. I'll just bring it over here and I'll set it on there. That way y'all can look at it. Got the butt. Got a butt stuck on there. That's gonna be right there, got it? Come on. There we go. Get in there. Take those, put those down. Like that. This thing here looks to be awkward. We'll just take it, put it down right there. Take this and put that up there. There we go. We'll take this one and we'll move this one up one. Alright, now we're ready to rock and roll. Got ribs, we got a butt, and 36 chicken wings. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll check in later. See how we're coming along. BRD Gotta Eat right here. Like I said, I appreciate y'all watching. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe. If you like it, like it. But thanks for your watching. Y'all have a good day until the next time. Later on this afternoon. Peace out, y'all. Gotta eat right here, baby.